To get started, go to System and Security in the Control Panel and pick Windows Defender Firewall. Click Advanced Settings to pull up the Windows Defender Firewall with the Advanced Security panel. In the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security Console, select Outbound Rules from the left pane. Under Outbound Rules Actions, select New Rule. In the new Outbound Rule wizard, select Create a rule based on a program. Use the Browse button to find the program's executable file on your system. Once the program has been selected, proceed through the new Outbound Rule wizard by clicking Next on each successive page. Provide the new firewall rule a descriptive name that clearly identifies its purpose. After naming, click the Finish button to complete the rule creation process. Once you've created a rule, confirm that your new rule is included in the list. Then, repeat the process if you need to block more programs. To unblock a program, simply select and delete the rule in the Advanced Security box lists. If you need flexible testing or troubleshooting without requiring permanent alterations, temporarily blocking a program is an ideal method for short-term adjustments or diagnostics. First, access the Windows Defender Firewall. Select Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall from the left pane. Click Change Settings. If the program in question isn't listed, select Allow another app instead. To go to the program, select Browse. Make sure the checkbox next to the program's name is unchecked, then click OK to confirm. To allow the app later, check the box. Start by enabling firewall protection on your Mac. Access System Preferences or System Settings from the Apple menu. Navigate to Network in the sidebar and pick Firewall. Toggle the switch to enable the firewall. After you've enabled the firewall, you can configure its settings to control access to different services and applications. To access advanced settings, click on Options. Then, click Add to indicate which apps or services the firewall should protect. Adjust their access rights with the given toggles, allowing or blocking programs as needed, then click OK.